Good morning, children. Welcome to CPS Virtual Learning class. So, this is your EVS subject, and as you all know that we were doing chapter 6. In our last class, we discussed about various types of nutrients. So, let's just recall what we have discussed in our last class. We discussed about what are carbohydrates, what are their benefits, then proteins, their benefits, and in which food items they are found in. Then fats we discussed. After that we discussed about vitamins and their benefits, and how many types of vitamins we discussed. There were vitamin A, vitamin B, C, D, K, even vitamin E is there. There are various other vitamins also, but the major vitamins which are found in the food are these ones. Then we discussed about minerals, and minerals are important for our body to make our teeth strong, to make our bones strong. Then today we are going to now start this topic which is called roughage. Okay, so let's just start. Okay, along with these 5 major nutrients, water and roughage are also important for our body. Water helps in digestion of food. Roughage is that part of the food which contains a lot of fiber. It helps in smooth movement of bowel every day. Raw vegetables and fruits are rich in fiber. Okay, now after reading, understanding about the 5 types of nutrients, this is the sixth point. This is the sixth nutrients which is very important to be taken in our diet. Why? See, this is roughage. Roughage means something which have some texture, something which have some fiber. Okay, so apart from these nutrients, our body needs roughage in equal amount, in proper amount, because what is the role of roughage? It helps in digestion, in proper digestion of food. For example, if we take everything in juice form, after some time what will happen? Our bowel movement, we freshen up every day in the morning, हम फ्रेश होते हैं. अगर हम कंटिन्यूसली जूसेस पे रहेंगे, कंटिन्यूसली कोई भी सॉलिड चीज नहीं लेंगे अपनी डाइट में, सो व्हाट विल हैपन? हमारा जो वॉट एवर बाउल मूवमेंट वी हैव एवरी डे, इट विल हैव सम प्रॉब्लम. हमें प्रॉब्लम होगा डेली फ्रेश होने में, बिकॉज हमारी बॉडी में फाइबर नहीं जाएगा. सो फाइबर इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इन द digestion of our body, the process of digestion. उसके लिए फाइबर की रिक्वायरमेंट बहुत ज्यादा होती है. ओके, सो फ्रॉम वेयर डू यू गेट मैक्सिमम फाइबर? कैन यू टेल मी? See, we get maximum fiber from raw things. Like we should prefer fruits rather than juices. हमें juices से ज़्यादा fruits पे ध्यान देना चाहिए. हमें एप्पल का जूस से बेटर हमारे लिए एप्पल खाना होगा, बिकॉज हमें एप्पल से न्यूट्रिएंट्स मिलेंगे, उसके साथ रफेज भी मिलेगा, फाइबर भी मिलेगा. ओके, इन अ सेम वे हमें वेजिटेबल्स भी, जो रॉ वेजिटेबल्स होती हैं विच वी कैन हैव इन आवर सैलेड्स, दैट ऑल्सो वी शुड यूज एंड इंक्लूड इन आवर डाइट. ओके, नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज water. Almost 2/3 of our body is made up of water. We lose a lot of water as we sweat or through urine from our body. Water helps our body to work well and maintain our body temperature. We need to drink at least 6 to 8 glasses of water every day. Okay, so you all must be knowing about it, that our body is मेड अप ऑफ 2/3 ऑफ वाटर. हमारी बॉडी के अंदर 2/3 पार्ट तो सिर्फ वाटर ही है. आर यू ऑल नोइंग अबाउट इट? आप लोगों को पता था ये बात? सो water plays an important role, very important role in our working of our body. That is the reason it is always said to drink lot of water, around 6 to 8 glass of water every day, because when we go for urination, for passing the urine, then also we release water from our body. When we have a lot of sweat on our body, then also we release water from our body. So these are the situations when we are losing the water from our body. So it's very important to maintain the balance. हमारी बॉडी में वाटर का बैलेंस होना ज़रूरी है. अगर हम पानी कम पिएंगे तो हमारी बॉडी में उसकी डेफिशिएंसी रहेगी और हमें उसकी कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स हो सकती हैं अगर हम पानी बहुत कम पीते हैं तो. ओके, सो नाउ हम इफ वी टेक all these nutrients in proper amount, what do we call it? A diet in which we have all these nutrients, all these elements in proper amount. What do we call that diet? That we will read here. See, it is called a balanced diet. Our food must contain all necessary nutrients. If we eat for taste or eat only one kind of food all the time, our body will not get all the nutrients in the right amount. We should therefore eat balanced diet. A balanced diet is, what is a balanced diet? Just underline it. A balanced diet is one in which all the nutrients are present in correct amount so that our body becomes healthy and strong from all over. Okay, the pyramid of a balanced diet given here shows the different food items arranged according to their nutrients. We should avoid eating too much junk food like pizza, chow mein, burger, cold drinks, etc., as they do not provide essential nutrients to our body. We should eat more fruits, raw vegetables, which provide sufficient vitamins and minerals to our body. Okay, so as I told you that if we are taking all the nutrients in proper amount, the amount in which our body needs it, so if we are taking in proper amount, that diet is known as balanced diet. Okay, because if we are eating only one type of food continuously day by day, and we are not having other types of food, other foods which have different nutrients, that will not affect, that will not benefit to our body. For example, if I continuously have only roti, if I don't have anything else, it will not affect my body, it will not make my body healthy, or it will not make my body grow. मैं बढ़ नहीं पाऊंगी, मेरी ग्रोथ नहीं होएगी. Okay, so that is the reason it is very important to have balanced diet every day. हमें सारे nutrients proper amount में लेने चाहिए. Okay, and you should avoid taking junk food, chow means, burger, various foods which are good for nothing. They are only good for our taste buds. वो सिर्फ हमारी टेस्ट बड्स के लिए अच्छे होते हैं, बट हमारे स्टमक के लिए, हमारी बॉडी के लिए अच्छे नहीं होते. So it's better we should not eat such junk foods which are not providing any essential nutrients to our body. Okay, so that's all for today. We will understand about the digestion of food and the process, and even the preservation of food in our next class. Bye bye. Take care.